What's up, y'all? I am here chilling with my little love bug. Yeah, I am here chilling on the couch with Rainy Bunga. I just fed her and burped her. She burped like 3 times. What happened, Rainy? You gonna cry again? Don't cry. Don't cry. We have to talk to the people. Look. You stop? That's you. That's Rain. Is that you? Look it up at y'all. We have our home visit in a couple hours. It's actually my 6-week appointment, 6 weeks postpartum checkup for both Rain and myself, and they're actually doing it at the house, right? They used to do it in the clinic, but now we no longer have to go to the clinic. The home visit team said they've taken over all of the postnatal checks and all of that. So what happened, Rainy Bunga? Oh no! Let me tuck up. Oh Lord, let me get her up. Yeah. Yeah. That's what you want to do? Yeah. Sometimes she likes to be held upright. Can't keep up with Rain. But yeah, so they're actually gonna come to the house. Yeah, hopefully everything goes well. So that's what's up in the next couple of hours. So I'm gonna go and get myself together because my hair is a mess. So I need to go and brush up my hair, at least look a little bit more presentable. Look here. That's what you want? You want more milk? Rain, all you do is drink. I fed her like 10 minutes ago. All right, I'm gonna go feed Rain, and I'll catch up with you guys after the home visit. Let you guys know. All right. Oh, it went. All right. Good morning, Mr. River. River decided to clean this morning. Yeah, so River cleaned the couch. As you can see, there's no cushion. He got rid of the throws as well. They're on the floor because they don't belong in the couch, obviously. And he left 2 cushions though. And guess what? He placed them in the playpen. So he's got a pillow in here, my shoes. I guess my shoes was in the way. And we've got how many cushions in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 cushions. Along with the pillow. So thanks to Rivy. I know he's running up and down in the couch that he shouldn't be doing.
Good job. And put it in. Oh wow.
Sit. See, this is why the couch have to look like this, because he could never sit. River, hi. Don't take off these big ones though. Don't let me and you fall out, because we gonna fall out. Leave it. Woof 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 all day long. What did the dog say, Rivy? What did the cat say? And what does the doggy say? No, that's the horse's name. I need to check my blood pressure quickly, so I'm going to put this on my arm. Press that one. Press it. You have to press it. Press it. You got to press it like this, see? No, Rivy, wait, baby. You're going to make my pressure look real high now, because you're not making me sit still. 142/93. Say open.
Open.
Yeah. I was telling River father this morning that I hardly get River talking on camera, like saying proper words. What's that for? Give me a kiss. Yeah, but he does say some words and everything, and he engages with Miss Rachel. Yeah, so he engages with Miss Rachel all the time. Yeah, but every time I try to get him on camera, he stops talking. Like when I put the camera on him, look at him. Yeah, so when I put the camera on him, I don't think he likes that. Like he goes all shy or something. Yeah, so y'all never get to see that, but I'm gonna try. What I have to do is probably I set up the camera one day, and y'all will see how he engaged and stuff. But I could never get him when he's talking and stuff. One day I'll catch you. Not too long, had breakfast. I was meant to come back to you guys after I told you that I had the 6-week checkup at home. That was mostly for Rain, for her 6-week check, which they weighed her and everything. The girl weighed 13 pounds now. Yeah. Yeah. which is, we figured I probably would have been around that anyway, because y'all see how plumped Rain get. If y'all ain't following her on Instagram, you need to go and do so, because I do post her more on Instagram, and sometimes I put some of the videos on here, the shorts, but go and follow her, Rain X Henry. I'll put it on the screen for you guys so you can, you know, follow her little journey and watch her grow. Because when we're not on YouTube, that's who we are. We're on Instagram, Facebook, you know, the other platforms. They checked out like her milestones. It asked me if she's smiling, if I think she can hear well, if she responds when I talk to her, stuff like that. But she's been smiling a lot. But I told them she's been smiling for a long time now. I feel like Rain been smiling since she born. Yeah. Yeah, so she's 7 weeks old tomorrow, and what I realized is that she's been smiling like with purpose now. She smiles in response to what I am doing to her. Like if I would go up to her and talk or like touch her and say, "Hey Rain," and she would big smile. So her little personality is starting to come out where she's more settled. We're getting into a nice little routine now, y'all, you know, even though say it changes, but for now it's really good. Right now she's asleep. Well, we had, let me check the camera and see if she's still sleeping actually. Yeah, she's still fast asleep because she woke up early this morning, like 5-6 o'clock, and she fell asleep probably 8 or something. But yeah, that was it. The 6-week check, what they did, they asked me some questions, talk about postpartum depression, just to see my well-being really. It wasn't just about like checking like physically kind of thing. It's actually a few hours later. Say hello, Rainy. Hi. See how she looking at y'all? Look at her. But she got pockets. What you doing pockets, Rainy Bunga? What you doing pockets, girl? Yeah, ShéKayla just come from school, so we're here in the living room just talking. Y'all can hear her in the background, but yeah. This big package was at my door. I clicked on the influencer program on TEMU, and I chose, they gave me a £40 budget, right? They gave me a £40 budget. But I didn't know that it didn't go through, because then it said that I am not eligible or something because of my account. I don't know, it didn't go through, so I did not even click, you know, I didn't get an email to say your order has been like completed or whatever. That's bizarre. So do I still have to do the video? Because if you guys don't know about the influencer program, these are stuffed baby clothes for Rain. 1, 2, 3, 4 outfits and a playmat. So I guess I will show you guys. Most of these baby clothes though are from, they're 3 to 6 months. Some cute little outfits. So probably I'm gonna try them on and see how big they are, because you know some of these things they run small. So I will try it on maybe a bit later, not right now because she's a bit fussy right now. So we'll try these on later and I'll show you. Alright. So guys, these are the cute little pieces that we got from TEMU. I opened the package and I did a nice little try on haul with Rain. If you're following her on Instagram, you guys would have already seen that. So make sure if you're not following her, go and follow her. If you want to continue seeing content like this from her, her Instagram is Rain X Henry. I'll put it right there on the screen. But yeah, she tried on these cute little pieces. She looks so cute in them, y'all. Hey Riv. So I was just showing River the playmat that I got sent over from TEMU. Hopefully you guys would have already seen those reels and shorts and TikToks of me doing the, you know, unboxing, or well, yeah, of me opening it, showing it to him. So thanks again to TEMU for that sponsor. Love, love, love. River's enjoying the mat. So this is the playmat, guys. It came in that bag there, and he's just been sort of enjoying it. Is a large mat. I had no idea that TEMU had these nice things on it. You know, I heard about TEMU and stuff, but I never really actually went on there to shop. So I'm glad that they sponsor this and I'm able to like test out the things. And yeah, so I'll be shopping on TEMU more often now, y'all. Definitely. Anywho, we've just had breakfast. I actually just came from McDonald's because I haven't had it in so long. When I went back, I realized that McDonald's, their breakfast wrap is back. So they used to do this breakfast wrap. Come here, Riff. Say hi. Say hi. You say hi? Yeah, hi. You're so sweet. Give mama a kiss. Give me a kiss. You're still looking at the camera. Yeah, so their breakfast wrap It's back. They stopped doing wraps like during COVID and all of that. So it's been almost 4 years since McDonald's haven't had their breakfast wraps. So I was so glad when I pulled up there and they were like, oh my God, they were like, it was showing on the main screen saying an icon is back, so you know I had to get one, and it was so good. If you're following me on Instagram, you'd have already seen that anyway when I tried it, and on my TikTok as well. So make sure you guys are following me, ShéKayla. My Instagram name, Facebook name, I have the same name, ShéKayla, for Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So run, go over there, son, follow me now. Look at River. First day out without his stroller. He's actually got the freedom, but guys, he been running up and down in the store while Rain passed out fast asleep. Look how cute she be in her little outfit, child. So yeah, we just come to do a little bit of shopping. I just come to pick up a few stuff for River. River run off the first chance he get. Look at him. Look, see, gone. See, you see? Sean bit, he stooped down on the ground to get away from Sean, and then he just run off. Can't trust him, cannot trust him. And I had a lot of faith in River, saying, you know what, this is his first time walking, you know, so it's gonna be like wow, and he's gonna just, you know, walk slow and just pray out the place and run gone. But yeah, that's where we ended up, on the high street, just doing a little bit of shopping. Where's he going now? Ooh. Oh, he wanna go to the car. Look at him, got his freedom. Slow down, Rivy. Oh gosh. Where you going, Riv? You wanna go in the car? Oh, yep, okay. Nope. You wanna go in that one? No, I have no money though. Oh, make him go in it, Sean. I can't pay by card. Let's start it up. Wait, let's pay. Go on. Beep, beep. Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. Are you done? Sit down, drive. Okay, look at he want to go in others, you know. Ready? Come, Rivy, come. Beep, beep. All done. Guys, I had to pay for it, but it didn't go through. I don't know, it's not working properly. Sucks, because it would have just make him go all the way around and around in a circle. But I don't know what's going on. And it only takes cards, no coins or anything. Look at this one. Oh, that one is card as well. Let's go, Riv. Yeah, come. What's up, y'all? So today we're here taking Rain is 2 months old. Rain is officially 2 months old. Can you guys believe that? Oh baby, y'all niece is 2 months old. So we just take her pictures. Hopefully you're following her on Instagram. You see, I always tell you guys follow her, because Instagram saw these pictures before y'all see them. But we just took her pictures, and here is a little madam. Say hi, Rainy Bunga. Say hello, Rainy Bookie. Hello. Look at her. This is a nice little outfit. So we just took her pictures. We love you to the moon. Yeah, so she's officially 2 months old. Right, Rainy Boom Boom? Yeah. Say hi. Oh. Yeah. Why are we clapping? Now Rainy Bungie is doing tummy time. She's doing so well with her tummy time and her head control. Oh, Rainy Bungie, are you gonna turn over? Look who's turned over a bit, eh? I put you on your belly, Missy, for tummy time. Look at you. Look at you. This is not tummy time. With tummy time, Missy, you have to be all over on your tummy. All the way over. Look at her. You're cheating. You're cheating. This is not tummy time, Rainy Bunga. This is called cheating. Back on your tummy, Missy. Back on that tummy. About you rolling over, huh? What you know about rolling over?
Same thing you know about rolling over.
I'm actually here at the clinic. So today is actually, did I tell you guys about this appointment? So it's our 8-week appointment, 8-week postpartum appointment, which is the official appointment where the doctor will check me out and give me the all clear green light And it's also today Rain is gonna get her first set of shots as well, which I'm not looking forward to. Oh my gosh, if I don't like my baby crying, she's gonna scream. And I think it's like 3 injections. She has to get 3. Yes, I'm not looking forward to that. So they're gonna check her out to do a lot of a series of tests on her. So if you don't know, when you're born, all of the tests that they do on you, like checks, they do the same thing at the 8-week point. Basically, this is like the last and final check. Whoa, look at Daddy shine. So we were running up, come with me. So we were running just a little bit behind. So I came out of the car to get us checked in, and Sean went to park and we were trying to run away already. Come here. Sit here, silly Billy. Yeah, so Sean is there, River is here. He got a cut on his face, yeah, because he fell down. Rainy Buggy's all fine now. There's a pacifier and she's okay. Yeah, so that's me done. Just collected my prescription from the pharmacy. And yeah, Sean and the kids are already in the car with Sean while I was waiting at the pharmacy. But I was saying that everything checks out fine. I'm fine and Rain is fine. She passed all of her checks. They checked all like her reflex and, you know, just all of her body parts really, just to make sure that everything is still, you know, okay. Asked a series of questions for myself and her, and yeah, we're both great. So that is the update. So happy that we check out and everything is grand. Anyway, oh, let me in. Oh. Oh God. River is something else. All of a sudden, River is super clingy. When we leave the car, when he feel like he's being left alone in the car, he's like crying already. But yeah, anyways, I'll catch up with you guys in a bit.